Can Wise inject some wisdom into your business's finances? Hi, I'm Chris Farman, and I'm here to take you on another journey of discovery to uncover the tools that make your business better. This week, we're taking a forensic look at the Wise business account. Now, much has been written about the Wise account and it gets loads of love from customers online, but does it live up to the hype? We look at whether it's an essential tool for businesses that send and receive international payments, or if it's something that you can just do without. What is Wise? Now, Wise is an international business account that allows you to make and receive payments in over 70 currencies without hidden fees or exchange rate markups. It was founded in 2011 as TransferWise and initially operated as an online money transfer provider. It's now expanded that offering with a multi-currency business account that serves more than 16 million businesses worldwide. Freelancers, sole traders, partnerships, limited companies, and even public companies can all sign up for a Wise business account. You can be based in the UK, the European Economic Area, the US, Australia, Brazil, Canada, New Zealand, and just about anywhere else you might like to go on holiday. It's that international reach and the low transfer costs that are this account's superpower. But it's more than just an account for international payments and foreign currency transfers. This low-cost all-rounder offers fee-free business banking, virtual and physical debit cards, accounting software integration, mass pay solutions, and 0.5% cashback on eligible spending. That makes it a convenient choice for everyday business banking. Importantly, Wise is not a bank, so your funds will not be protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. However, as an electronic money institution, it's regulated in the UK by the FCA. Key features? Okay, so now we have a little background, but what are the key features that make the Wise business account a trusty companion for you? Well, its USP is undoubtedly the ability to hold, convert, send, and receive money in different currencies at a low cost. In terms of specifics, you can send money to over 70 countries in 55 currencies and convert money at the mid-market rate without any markups. You can also hold and manage money in over 40 different currencies and create local account details in 10 currencies so international customers can pay you quickly. In terms of the benefits, that means there are big savings when making and receiving international payments, and the transfers are often faster. But there are plenty of other strings to the Wise bow too. You can accept remote payments by creating, managing, and sharing payment links and QR codes. Use the batch payment tool to pay 1,000 people at once in a range of currencies. Use physical and virtual debit cards for domestic and overseas purchases without foreign currency transaction fees. Set spending limits on employee debit cards. Use the JARS feature to separate funds and allocate them to different projects. Integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreeAgent. Get 0.5% cashback on your business's spending. Handle payroll in more than 70 countries, and use the investment feature to set up an interest earning fund. Of those features, the Wise debit card deserves a special mention as it can become a powerful tool for your business. You can use it to pay online or in store in more than 55 currencies and 200 plus countries with no foreign transaction fees. You can also set spending limits on each card and track employee spending on the app in real time. You get a free physical card when you open your account, and there's a one-time fee of £3 for every physical card for your team. Although additional digital cards are completely free. It's also worth mentioning the Wise API tool, which allows your account to integrate with a range of other applications to streamline finance operations. For example, You can automate routine tasks such as invoice payments and recurring transfers. Receive real-time banking notifications on platforms like Slack. Track exchange rates and automate currency conversions. Pricing and fees. Now, in terms of its features, Wise delivers a pretty hefty offering, but does it have a price tag to match? The simple answer is no. There's no monthly fee, which is a big bonus for many smaller companies, but there is a one-off £45 charge for registering your Wise account. That's not a selling point when competitors like Sterling and Anna Money offer very good business accounts with no monthly or setup fees. However, they don't offer the same cross-border functionality. After that, you pay for what you use, and that's where the Wise account stands out. Its fees are low, particularly when it comes to currency exchanges and international payments. And businesses that send or receive international payments regularly can quickly make big savings. The fee to make international payments starts at just 0.33%, although it will depend on the currency. You can also receive payments for free in 8 currencies, including British pounds, euros, and US and Australian dollars. Now, if you need to take money out of a local ATM, you can make 2 withdrawals for free, up to a maximum of £200 a month. Additional withdrawals attract a 1.75% fee plus 50 pence per withdrawal. Pros and cons? Right, let's rattle through a few quickfire pros and cons to see how the Wise business account stacks up. Now, in terms of pros, it's one of the most cost-effective providers in a crowded market, particularly if you make or receive international payments. You can hold more than 40 currencies for free and get the mid-market exchange rate when you convert them. Wise is open and transparent about all of its charges. There are lots of business-friendly features and integrations. It's also very quick, with most payments settled within 24 hours and more than a third settled instantly. Now, that's all great news for most businesses, but here's some food for thought. As Wise isn't a bank, your funds are not protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. You cannot make cash or cheque deposits. There's a £45 fee to open an account, and their customer support reviews are fair to middling. Now, you can access support through live chat, email, and phone, but there is some room for improvement. Who is Wise ideal for? So, is Wise the right pick for you? Well, if your business makes or receives international payments in multiple currencies regularly, then the Wise account has to be in your thinking. The other main accounts that provide similar functionality are Monzo and Revolut. However, Wise lets you spend and hold money in multiple currencies, unlike Monzo, where you can only hold money in pound sterling. Revolut, on the other hand, offers more of the functionality and support of a conventional bank account, but Wise could be a better choice if you want to save on currency exchange. Wise also has many of the features you'd receive from a conventional business bank account. It's not a one-trick pony. For example, you can generate invoices and connect to popular accounting software. However, it does not offer FSCS protection. You cannot deposit cash, and there's no overdraft or credit card facility. So, if you operate as a freelancer, entrepreneur, or business owner and do not commonly buy from abroad or have customers who want to pay in their own currency, you might be better served looking elsewhere. And that's your lot. Everything you need to know about the Wise business account. The headlines here are that, according to Wise, it's up to 6 times cheaper than regular banks and 19 times cheaper than PayPal for currency exchange. That's amazing. Now, it's also a fee-free and safe account with good levels of basic functionality that's FCA regulated in the UK. But to read our full review of Wise, just click the link in the description. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And now all that's left is to like, share, or subscribe to get more top-level business goodness from the team. Thanks for watching.